Magandang balita mga Krizar. Ito po ating nagbabagang balita ngayong gabi.
Huwag silang lalabag sa batas.
Is that a warning?
Of course. It's a fair warning to everyone. The people of Manila deserves better. They wanted certainty. No abuse will be done by this congressman under my watch. No. Not a single day.
All right.
Pag mali kayo, mali kayo. Kung kinakailangan arrestuin ko sila, I'll make arrest. That is a promise.
That's
because that is a commitment to the people of Manila. Kasi yun ang kinumit ko sa entablado eh. Kwento sa yung mga masasakit na salita. It's so painful that pinagmamalasakit mo sila. Pero the words that hindi mo makakain, lalo na yun si Joel Chua who lied here in this show na wala siyang sinabi in your face, all of you here, na hindi raw niya ginawa yun. No, that's not true. You said something. You said something that even you yourself cannot be proud of. To me.
Okay.
I'm just si Letlet. I'm just si Letlet. Buhay pa si Letlet. Dalawa kayo ni Roland Valeriano. Ngayon lang ako sumagot kasi hindi ko kayo sinasagot ng kampanya. Ayoko ma-blur yung damdamin ng tao. Gusto ko fix ang eyesight ng tao based on program of governance ang i-offer. But in hindsight, yung dalawa na yan, said something na kahit ikaw, Pinky, hindi mo makakain. Yun ang katotohanan. Now, kung gusto nyo, total, tapos naman ang lahat, edi magpa-lie detector test tayo. Kumbaga, para malaman natin kung sino nagsasabi ng
So, you're not at liberty to tell us ano yung sinabi nilang dalawa?
Hindi mo makakain. And the way the actuation you're in the corner, the way the physical actuation on how they treat you, yung kung paano ka pagsalitaan ng mga taong at one point in time they are in the streets, you believe in them, nurture them, hone them, give them chance, you're happy, you became successful, and the least thing that you can, expect is, pare, kape naman tayo. But yung sigaw-sigawan ka't pagsalitaan ka ng hindi maganda, and you have a balls to say in Bilyonaryo that wala kayong sinabi.
Okay.
You're fooling the viewers and the broadcasters. Be man enough. Anyway, tapos na ang halalan. At least, magkikita-kita pa rin naman tayo. Ngayon ako sumasagot. So not to confuse the people based on emotional voting. I really wanted the people of Manila decide based on performance. But now, Pinky, I'm here telling them straight, be man enough. Total lang, tatapang nyo sa Quadcom eh. Pag dito sa television mukhang di ko maintindihan. But pinatawad ko na kayo. Gusto nyo naman marinig. Kung ang Diyos ay nagpapatawad, ako pa kaya tao lang. Pinatawad ko na kayo. Nakamove on na ako sa buhay.
Yung pagpapatawad mo ba, of course, mayor ka naman, lawmaker naman sila, magkakaroon ho ba ng pagkakataon na...
Huwag silang lalabag sa batas.
Is that a warning?
Of course. It's a fair warning to everyone. The people of Manila deserves better. They wanted certainty. They wanted rules are put in order. And it's applicable to everyone. No abuse will be done by this congressman under my watch. No. Not a single day.
All right.
Pag mali kayo, mali kayo. Kung kinakailangan arrestuin ko sila, I'll make arrest. That is a promise.
That's
because that is a commitment to the people of Manila. Kasi yun ang kinumit ko sa entablado eh. Di ba na maliwanag naman sila, mga Tolonges, magbago na kayo ng address. Hold upper, snatcher. Ikinumit ko yun sa taong bayan and the people replied. Showing this much overwhelming votes. So, kung gusto nila, magtrabaho sila, maglingkod sila sa taong bayan, I'll support them. Don't get me wrong. Pero wala nang pribilehiyo ngayon.
Okay.
Pantay-pantay lang tayo.